her lactation person, is can she pump the colostrum, and would that help her to get her milk in coming in?
Well, we're not. There's no rush to get the milk in.
Yeah, well, they kind of said that in one of this thing.
There is a rush, or there's not?
No, there is that. It's going to happen. They said the same kind of thing that Katie was thinking. I'm worried my milk isn't going to come in. They said the same exact thing up here, that sometimes women worry their milk's not going to come in. It will come in, but it just takes a little while.
Yeah.
Just remember, your body makes the perfect food for the baby.
I think she has hiccups. You got the hiccups? You had the hiccups inside of me too. You know that?
If you
I
want to
could
finish
feel
up with
them.
this, you can. You want this into the beer?
I could feel them.
What did you have for dinner?
Boy.
Oh, really good burger.
Wasn't a veggie burger, huh?
No, I could have gotten a Baca burger,
Oh boy.
but I didn't do it.
What do you do for
Yeah,
hiccups?
it had blue cheese on it.
I don't know, but maybe put her head up a little further. She's kind of got her head down. Had blue cheese on it?
And sauteed mushrooms,
Ooh,
and raw onion, and tomato.
wow.
We went to the Uptown Tavern.
Your dad.
Mm-hmm.
The what town tavern?
Uptown Tavern.
Good.
And beer too to celebrate grace.
They're drinking in your honor. Can you believe it?
Don't you feel special? Look at those little hiccups. Look at those little hiccups. This is definitely YouTube material.
Hiccup.
This one's going on the net. This one's going on the net.